Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to factory reset PC if you are using Windows 11. So first you need to tap on the start button, go to setting. Okay, in the system section scroll down and go to recovery option, and there is option called reset this PC. Just tap on reset PC, but make sure to keep your important file backup. Okay, just tap on reset PC. So it will show you two methods. First one, keep your files, only reset the settings. But the second one, completely format your PC and reset everything, setting and your personal files. If you need to keep your files, you can choose first option. Then after you can just tap on next and continue with the reset process. Once the reset is completed, your computer will be look like a new computer. So yeah, if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.